Hello Vokies, here is a quick video I thought I would put together for you. If anybody's interested in learning how to send personalized emails to each of their students. What I mean by personalized is that the subject and maybe title or beginning of the email has like their name in it, or you could include a test score that's personal to them, or whatever else you need that's personalized for each student. But the general email is sort of a mass email that's going to all of your students. So we'll create something that can pull all the information from a spreadsheet and then kick that out to a Gmail and send the same email, but with personalized information for each one. I thought it might be helpful to learn how to do this while we're on the break. We're all trying to communicate with students effectively and using a lot of email. So this is how I set up a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. Okay, the first thing you want to do is open up your browser and go to your Google Drive. And up the top left here is new, and Google Sheets is what we want to start with. So we'll open up a new Google Sheet. So now my Google Sheet is opened. You can title it whatever you'd like up there. That's all up to you. But the important thing here is we need to set it up as a mail merge document. So here we're going to go to the add-ons and mail merge with attachments and enable mail merge. So you're going to come up here to your add-ons again, mail merge with attachments, and create mail merge template. So it'll do a little bit of thinking, and eventually you should have a Google Sheet with sort of top bar here of columns with first name, last name, email address, file attachment, schedule date, and merge status. The important columns here will be email address and first and last names for your students, and you'll have to fill all that information in. Importantly, their email address. What is kind of nice though is I can certainly add a column to the right, and let's just say that's now quiz score. That will work just the same as these other columns. So Google will pick up whatever is in this column and put it into the mail merge when we configure that. I've gone ahead and created a spreadsheet already that I've been using. So we'll click onto that. And here you can see last name, first name. I've added year to it. And here's their email address. And I put my students' names, their years, and their email addresses into this spreadsheet. So once we have that, then we should go over to your actual Gmail. So here in Gmail, we could actually begin to compose a message. I'm going to show you, though, I have messages saved in my drafts. So let me just move this. So what you're going to want to do is write an email message, not unlike this one. So mine says, hey, and then you can see these brackets here surrounding this first name title. So this corresponds, if we go back to that spreadsheet, first name in the column. And it must be done exactly as it is in the columns here. So capital F, space, capital N, make sure you have all those things in there. So by using those column titles and then putting those fancy brackets around them, it will pull in the information that is in those columns into each separate email. Doesn't matter what the column is, all you need to do is put those brackets around them. Basically, when it sends, this stuff right here will be substituted for whatever is actually in that column. Write your email however you would, just the information that's coming from the spreadsheet, put the brackets around. And then what you'll do is you'll click the X here. You can see it says save and close, and that'll go into your drafts folder. So we'll go back to this guy, to the spreadsheet. And the next thing we want to do is configure our mail merge. So we'll click on that. We'll give it a second. The tab will open up here. I'll move this again. Mail merge sheet, you want to make sure that you're on the correct sheet. So this says it is on the mail merge sheet. If we go down, it's corresponding to these sheets here. We have different sheets that you could be working on here. That's the sheet I want. Yes, this is the one that has all the information in it. You can put your email in and your name. That's really all you can do here. We'll click continue. We don't have any of these premium features, so I can't do any of these things. So I'm just going to click continue. Here is where we're going to tell the spreadsheet to use the email that we want. So if I click on edit, you'll see it basically brings up a list of all the messages I have in my draft folder from Gmail. So let's just choose this one, which is what we were looking at, and I'll hit save. So now I'll click continue. And let's go ahead and set a test email. And what are we looking for in a test email? A test email is going to come to your email address, regardless of what email addresses are here. And it's just going to pick the first line of information. So in that email, basically all I've referenced is a first name. So I should see that email being sent to me, but referencing Mike, because that's the first name that's in there. So if we hit send a test email, now we'll come over to our emails, and here it is. It says test email. That will not show up in the actual mail merge. It says, hey, Mike, exclamation time for whatever, assignment 3. And here you can see in the body of the email, it says Mike. So it's personalized. So when you're ready to actually send an email to all of these students, we just click on the run mail merge and hit go. I'm not going to do that here because I don't want to send them an email right now. But then you'll see a little pop-up down here, and it'll show you that it's sending emails to all of those different students. Anyway, I hope that is helpful. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions, and enjoy trying to use the mail merge feature within Gmail. Bye.